Hello and welcome. Thank you for taking the next few minutes just for yourself. It's essential to remember that you matter, and allowing yourself a brief period of intentional reflection can have a profound impact on the rest of your day. Let's take this time to re-centralize and set a positive intention for the day ahead. Find a comfortable position, whether you're sitting at a desk or laying on the couch. Close your eyes gently and focus all of your attention on your breathing. Start taking slower, deeper breaths than you have all day. Inhale deeply through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Continue this pattern, feeling your lungs expand as you breathe in and contract as you breathe out. Tune into your body and observe how it feels. Notice if there's any areas of tension or tightness, and give those areas permission to relax. Send warmth and kindness to those parts of your body. Acknowledge the hard work your body does for you, and let it know it's okay to rest and relax for these next few minutes. If your mind begins to wander, that's perfectly fine. Gently bring back your focus to your body, using your breath as your guide. Think of one thing that has happened today that made you smile or feel grateful. Let that positive feeling fill you up head to toe. Allow yourself to smile if that feels natural. Now consider something you can do today to maintain this feeling, whether it's for yourself or for someone else. It can be something as simple as planning to go to bed early tonight to finally read that book waiting on your bedside table, or enjoying a meal with a good friend. Identify one small action that you can take to bring intentional joy to your day. Focus on that thought for a few moments and bask in the feeling of peace and happiness. Now let's take a few more deep breaths together. Inhale deeply. Feel your lungs expand and exhale, letting everything contract back in. Take an even deeper breath than before. Hold it for a moment and release it all. One last time. Take your deepest breath yet, sending it through your entire body, and exhale completely. When you're ready, gradually bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Thank yourself for dedicating these few minutes and being intentional and kind to yourself. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and enjoy the rest of your day.